Class 10th Coordinate Geometry Chapter 7 Question number 5. In a classroom, there are four friends are seated at the point A, B, C and D as on given figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagree. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So here this is a figure A, B and C. So solve it. Here यहाँ पर चार फ्रेंड हैं जो कि चार जगह बैठे हैं A, B, C, D. चंपा और चमेली में बात हो रही है. चंपा कहती है कि ABCD स्क्वायर है, तो हम इसको चेक करेंगे कि ये ABCD हमारा स्क्वायर है. तो सॉल्व आउट करते से A points. A, this is a X 0 0 and Y axis. So A point is 3, 4. B point is 6, 7. C 9, 4 and D point 6, 1. D point. So we have checked it. AB distance, distance formula. AB distance here. Point, let point A x1 y1 is 3, 4. Point B x2 y2 is equal to 6, 7. So here distance formula AB x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. here x2 is 6 minus 3 square, y2 is 7 minus 4. सिक्स थ्री गया 3, 7 में 4 गया 3. So 9 plus 9 18. सेम डिस्टेंस निकालते हैं BC. डिस्टेंस, let here AB let B point x1 y1 equal to 6 7. C point x2 y2 is equal to 9 and 4. 9 4. So here apply distance formula. B point x1 comma y1 and C point x2 y2 is equal to 6 7 9 4. So x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. Distance formula BC x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So वैल्यू रखेंगे x2 9 minus 6 plus y2 is 4 minus 7. So we get here 3 का स्क्वायर, 4 में 7 के माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर, विच इज इक्वल टू 9 प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 18. अब हम डिस्टेंस निकालते हैं CD डिस्टेंस. Here CD distance, the let point C x1 y1 and point D x2 y2, which is C point is 9 and 4 and D point is 6 and 1. So apply distance formula here. C and D point 9, 4 and 6, 1. So applying CD distance formula, x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So x2 is 6, 9, 1 minus 4. 6 में से 9 गया 3, 4 में गया -3. So 3 is a 9, 18. डिस्टेंस निकालते हैं ED. ED distance, let point A point x1 y1 and D point x2 y2, which is equal to A point and D point. Here find distance ED. So ED distance x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. So x2 is 6 minus 3, y2 is 1 minus 4. Nine plus 9 is equal to 18. डायगोनल चेक करेंगे. AC distance A point, let A point three and 4, x1 y1, 3 and 4, and point B x2, point C x2 y2, 9 and 4. So डिस्टेंस हम निकाल लेंगे. AC x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So 9 minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 6 का स्क्वायर प्लस 0 स्क्वायर. 36 which comes 6. सेम पॉइंट्स लेंगे, बी डी चेक करेंगे, डायगोनल बी डी चेक करेंगे, लेट पॉइंट्स बी x1 y1 6 and 7, point D x2 y2 6 1. So BD distance x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1. So x2 is 6 minus x1 6, y2 is 1 minus y1 is 7. So 6 is 0, minus 6, we get 36 which comes 6. So we have check square A B C D root 18 root 18 root 18 and root 18. Diagonal is 6 and this diagonal is also 6. Hence all side of hence all side of quadrilateral same length and diagonal are same each other, then chameli champa is right. Observe it is a square. It is a square. चंपा राइट्स ऑब्जर्व करती है, इट इज ए स्क्वायर. सो side are equals and diagonal equal, so it is square. Sides are equal and diagonal equal, so it is square. Question number 6. Name the type of quadrilaterals formed, if any, by the following points are and given reason for your answer. Again, question number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral is formed if any by the following points are given. Reason for your answer. Okay, first question is bracket -1 comma -2 bracket 1 0 comma -1 comma 2 and -3 comma 0 ब्रेकेट क्लोज। तो हम सॉल्व करते हैं पहला क्वेश्चन किस टाइप का क्वाड्रेट्रियल है हम पता करेंगे। ठीक है, ओके। सॉल्यूशन, क्वाड्रेट्रियल गिवन है -1 and -2 1 and 0 -1 comma 2 and -3 comma 0. Naming is that A, B, C and D. So here solution में A B, this is A point, this is B point. Here -1 comma -2 1 and 0. So let A point x1 y1 is equal to -1 and -2. B point x2 y2 1 comma 0. So here AB distance x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So x2 is that 1 minus -1, y2 is 0 minus -2. is equal to 2 का स्क्वायर and my plus 2 square 2 to 4 8 root 8 which comes to root 2. Same BC distance -1 and 0 -1 and 2. Here let B point x1 y1 1 and 0, C point x2 y2 -1 and 2. So distance BC x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. सो x2 की वैल्यू हमारे पास है -1 -1 x2 is -1 minus and 1 is 1 y2 is 2 and y1 is 0. So we get here minus 2 square and 2 square. So 2 2s are 4, plus 4, 8 to root 2. Length is BC. BC distance, CD distance निकालेंगे. C and D minus 1, 2. Let C point D point so CD distance formula x2 minus x2 x2 is minus 3 minus 1, y2 is 0, y1 is 2. So minus 3 minus plus 1 minus 2. So we get 3 minus 2 square, which is get 4 plus 4, which get 8 is equal to 2 root 2. And BC CD distance, AD distance. Let point A x1 y1 is equal to minus 1 and minus 2, and D point minus 3 and 0, point D x2 y2. So A and D minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and 0, AD is equal to x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So x2 is minus 3 minus x1 is minus 1, y2 is 0 minus 2. So AD minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2, which is get minus 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4, 8 to root 2। डायगोनल चेक करते हैं। AC डायगोनल AC ANC -1 -2 -1 and 2। So diagonal, let A point x1 y1 -1 and -2, B point x2 y2 is equal to -1 and 2। So distance formula AB AAC distance x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1। x2 is that -1, x1 is -1, y2 is 2 minus and -2। So -1 plus -1 plus 1 and 2 minus plus 2। So we get here 0 plus 4। So we output 0 plus 4 AC is 4 out, and DB निकालेंगे, diagonal DB। This is a point DB, D and B। So diagonal DB -3 0 and 1 and 0। Let D x1 y1 and B x2 y2, D point is -3 and 0 और ये 1 and 0। सो डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला DB निकालेंगे। y2 minus y1, so x2 is 1 minus 3, y2 is 0, 3 1 4 is equal to 16 4। Here all side of quadrilateral same and diagonal also same, so it is a square. Diagonal 4 4 and side is 2 root 2 2 root 2 2 root 2 and 2 root 2. Hence we have proof. Okay, thank you for watching this. चेक करते हैं. We have a question. Solution here -1 -2 1. Here we have checked it is a square or not. So -1 and -2, 1 and 0, -1 and 2, -3 and 0. Here AB distance we find की 2 root 2 and BC फाइंड किया हमने 2 root 2. BC is 2 root 2 and CD फाइंड किया, EC also 2 root 2 and AD distance is also 2 root 2. डायगोनल हमने फाइंड किया AC which is comes 4 and diagonal 4, hence all sides square, so it is a square, hence proof. Thank you.